Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can receive money from Wise. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply go ahead, open up your particular Wise app, and once you have done that, make sure you're signed in as well. Now once you have signed up, and the first thing is you have to get verified, and to get verified we have already uploaded a video regarding the documentation and the process, so make sure to watch that video. And once you have provided information and verified yourself, you will have to pay a one-time fee to unlock account details in multiple currencies. Then you have to select an eligible currency from the home screen, select get account details, and share your account details with the person or business that wants to pay you. You can also get notified when the money lands in your account, and that's how you will know that you have received the money. Now there are some additional features that you can also take advantage of, which are you can create a direct payment request to your payer. Whenever they haven't paid you money, you can simply request a payment request to them. You can also have a personal accounts can set up a Wise tag to create a unique link with your name that you can share with others as well. Business accounts can request money by invoice as well. So that is the way. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.